Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Twitter account public. So first, when you open your Twitter app, you're going to open this profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and then scroll down and you will find settings and support. So tap this drop down menu right here and tap this settings and privacy. Now right here, all you need to do is tap this privacy and safety and tap this audience and tagging at the top of your screen. Now, as you can see right here, protect your tweets. It was turned on, meaning only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. So it's like on a private. So if you want to be public, you need to toggle it off. So you want to make sure that your Twitter account will be seen on public. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.